Get your dream home with construction remodeling in the Bay Area. Are you in need of a home renovation but keep putting it off because the idea of all the work and stress is too overwhelming? Look no further than construction remodeling in the Bay Area. With top-quality materials and expert contractors, remodeling your home has never been easier, simple, or more inexpensive. Bay Area construction professionals take innovation and precision to a whole new level to deliver amazing home transformations to customers like you, whether you are looking for electrical, new room installations, or more. Let's dive in. Choose the right contractor for the job. To start your remodel, you must ensure that you have chosen the right contractor. You need a professional that can take charge of the project from the beginning to the end. Look for a contractor that has extensive experience, possess a portfolio that reflects their work, provide a clear pricing estimate. With a well-chosen contractor at your side, you can be sure that your remodeling ideas can turn into reality. Complete home remodeling. If you are interested in complete home remodeling, this is the best option. It's perfect for those looking for total overhauls, and your contractor can help you with the designs and blueprints. Whether you need electrical work or plumbing, the Bay Area Construction Company can handle everything for you. Bathroom remodeling. Bathroom remodeling is a perfect way to modernize your home. Experts suggest starting with bathroom remodeling projects because it's typically less expensive compared to the other parts of the house. You can start with small changes such as installing new faucets and sinks, or other more significant upgrades such as changing the layout or adding a new vanity. With bathroom remodeling, sometimes just the aesthetics and function of your bathroom can improve your mood and overall well-being. Kitchen remodeling. Your kitchen should be both functional and visually pleasing. A complete kitchen remodels can ensure that your family has all the cooking, prepping, and storage space they need. From countertops and backsplashes to appliances, innovative storage, and lighting, with good planning and execution, your kitchen can become the focal point of your home. Affordable and efficient. Construction remodeling is a highly affordable option for anyone looking to improve their home. Contrary to popular belief, it's not necessary to invest a lot of cash into a project, nor does it have to be time-consuming. With Bay Area Construction, you can get the job done at an affordable price, without any sacrifices to the quality of work. Renovating your home can be a fantastic way to upgrade your living space, and with Bay Area Construction Remodeling, it's simple and inexpensive to get the job done. Whether you want a complete overhaul of your home, a new bathroom or kitchen, or small upgrades to improve the functionality of your home, there are professionals in the Bay Area with years of experience ready to help you out. Get started today and make your dream home your reality. Thanks for watching.